Hi everyone, today we're going to do an unboxing of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is the Aura Black model and it is 256 gigabyte model. As you can see here, it gives you a description of what comes with it, the Note 10, the S Pen, wall charger, stereo headset, and a quick reference guide. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so this is what's on the bottom of the box. I'm sure you've seen unboxing videos thus far, but like they say, you get your SIM card ejector inside the box here. Nothing important, just your welcome kit and your terms, conditions, and instruction manual. And as you can see, this is the Aura Black model. You see there, Aura Black, where the new punch hole is right there. Put that down. So we put this in here. Here's the Samsung divider, SIM card from T-Mobile. Here's your wall charger and your AKG headphones. And you know these headphones, no 3.5 millimeter audio jack. These are USB-C headphones. And here's your USB-C to USB-C cable right here. Headphones again. And the wall charger. So this is it. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. As I'm actually filming this video on HDR with the Note 9, so it's interesting to see how the video is going to turn out. Here's the new S Pen. Okay, so subscribe guys. I'm going to do a review video once I hit it about a week and give you my impressions of this new Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll put some links below where you can find out more information about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus.